Ever wondered what separates a swiftly sold home from one that lingers on the market? Spoiler, it's not just luck. First things first, let's talk curb appeal. Before a potential buyer steps 1 foot inside, they've already judged your home by its exterior. So roll up your sleeves and give your landscaping a little TLC. Trim those hedges, add some colorful flowers, and maybe even lay down some fresh mulch. It's all about making that first impression count. Now, on to the big question, to paint or not to paint? If your home's exterior looks like it's weathered more storms than a sea captain, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Choose neutral colors. They're universally appealing and can make your home look newer in no time. And here's the kicker, the absolute game changer: staging your home. You might think it's all fluff, but staging can increase your home's perceived value and help buyers visualize themselves living there. Rent some modern furniture, declutter those countertops, and make sure each room has a clear purpose. Remember, you're not just selling a space, you're selling a potential lifestyle. Make it easy for buyers to see the dream, and there you have it. Focus on these key areas, and you'll not only attract more buyers, but might even spark a bidding war. Now, who wouldn't want that?